Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Situation on the gold market, mostly the same, guys, as it stands on other dollar-related assets and then the currencies. So gold also shown the upside reaction on the recent Fed statement, so it was moderately dovish. But despite this moment, hardly this just one comment will shift drastically the overall bearish sentiment on the gold market. Yes, market maybe could show some more extended to the upside retracement, but hardly it will lead to significant change in the sentiment and a reversal on the gold market. If, of course, the fundamental data, economical data from the United States will shift drastically as well. Well, but in the short-term perspective, we can't exclude that market could show a bit deeper upside retracement, because yesterday, guys, although we mostly have called you to do nothing, because we didn't have yesterday the clear reversal patterns on the intraday charts, and that's why we said that it's better to stay flat on the gold market. But still, yesterday market has formed so-called the bearish trap, as the Jack Schwager called these setups. So when you have, for example, the bearish flag that has been formed here, and we have discussed this pattern, and if market will shows the failure breakout of this flag, we should be ready for the opposite action. Right now market has shown the trap, failure breakout, return and back up, but right now stands at the resistance, so that is the weekly pivot resistance one. But this doesn't exclude the possibility of the bit deeper retracement. Besides, deeper retracements mostly stands in agreement with the gold's habits, because gold market likes to show deeper retracements. And second, that will stand in the gold habit when the gold market likes to show deep retracements and retest the important broken level. So recall that this level 12 even 1190, this very strong support that we have discussed. Also, guys, that looks like the market has accomplished this harmonic swing that we have thought about, and we said that maybe this really could happen. Right, so we can see this retracement approximately equal this one. So, but probably today, hardly we will get any upward action, because market right now stands at resistance. You can see the weekly pivot resistance one, and if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that market also stands at the confluence resistance 1173, 1178. So today probably market will take some relief after this doom and gloom on yesterday, and we should keep watching what will happen. So if market will hold above the 1150 somewhere in this area and will not erase all this upward action, in this case chances on upward continuation will remain, and market really could hit this next level 1190 resistance that stands on the daily time frame chart, that level. If market will erase this upward action and return right back down to these lows, in this case probably hardly any upward continuation will happen, and we should be ready for a final 1130 action. So retesting of the previous lows on the daily chart, this one, or even further downward continuation. But in general, overall setup that we see right now here on the daily chart makes this upward action possible to this area. But anyway, guys, as we said, any upward journey hardly will shift the overall sentiment on the market, and our position stands the same. So in the terms of the big trend, we should use any rally for a possible taking the short position. So currently we're mostly watching where to take the short position. If this rally to the upside will happen to this area, that will be the area where we'll be watching for what will happen. And if market will form some reversal pattern here on the intraday chart, we probably will take the short position here.